good. Yeah. Look. Keep my circle real small. I don't really fuck with y'all. Rich job wall, high nigga ball. You was on the bench, never getting called. Been the man, and now I'm seeing all these Benjamins. I can't see you haters, I just get it in. Pulling strings like a violin, just to get this money piling. Bitch, I know you see me styling. I've been living up to my name. Them boys faking it, they little change. Nigga, where I'm from, you a stain. I done sacrificed for this game, and I'll be damn, you think we the same. The pinnacle where I aim, cause being broke I couldn't maintain.
So it's just a quick look at the Nike Air Max 97 Premium Country Camo Pack that released last week. It's released in a pack of 6 on different days. It's a total of 6 pair. I got the Germany pair. There's USA, Japan, Italy, France, United Kingdom. I only picked up this pair because it's the one I like the most. I'm not a big fan of Air Max 97s, but when I seen these, I was like, shit, I gotta pick these up. And like the pink beige pair released a couple months ago, I'm probably gonna pick those up as well. If resale value drops a little bit. But like I said, I'm not a big fan, but like if the color is nice, then I'll pick the shoe up. As far as like quality, it seems like it's pretty much up to par. This is like a blend of like leather and suede or something right here on the camo. You got your canvas right here where the Nike is. Typical Air Max unit. And this patch is remove, Germany patch, so you can replace this with any other patch as long as you got the Velcro on the back. Air Max on the back in green. I hit an orange at the bottom. Near the toe box in the front as well. I mean, that's pretty much it. It's not much to say. Put a couple pictures up in videos. And like I said, it's just a quick look at it. I don't think it's that many videos of this actual pair or any other ones. I haven't really looked, but I'm just putting up a quick video of mine. So just got them in. And yep.
I couldn't maintain. It's all for a check. It's all for a check. Don't ask me how I got it. Just know the boy blessed. It's all for a check. It's all for a check. Tryna ice out my neck. What did you expect? If money can't bring happiness, why I'm laughing to the bank. With a bad chick, she a role model, she be rolling up stank. On the 95, tryna get mine. Now I see you niggas at the finish line. These niggas frontin' cause they been behind. Got a day with faith, I'm tryna intertwine. Running laps around these rap cats, I'm a big dog. Think you hot, you really bugging, G. Ironic, I'm the one ticked off. Came from limp pockets to a broke wallet. I don't blow it, nigga, all profit. See me winning, I'm a young prophet. Y'all small talk, I'm a main topic. Yeah. It's all for a check. It's all for a check. Don't ask me how I got it. Just know the boy blessed. It's all for a check. It's all for a check. Tryna ice out my neck. What did you expect?